In this video, we will give a review on Hollywood movie The Stand. The CBS All Access adaptation of The Stand biggest issue in The Stand itself. Stephen King's original novel is essentially two epics in one, the story of how humanity was dwindled down to a few thousand survivors by a fatal disease nicknamed Captain Trip, and then the story of how those survivors are pulled into a post-apocalyptic war between pure good and evil. It's an absolute brick of a book you could use to skin an aircraft carrier following at least a dozen main characters and ton of diverging paths exploring themes that range from personal accountability to the literal existence of God. Any adaptation has its work cut out for it. It's what I'm saying, but where this latest attempt for Josh Boone and Benjamin Cavill stumble or a strip is its ambition. It gamely attempts to cover both parts all at once, employing a lost-like flashback structure to do so, but ends up diluting two sides of same apocalypse. There's tension here along with a stellar cast and more than a few genuine jollies, but it's all packed into a frame too crowded for any one thing to land. CBS The Stand primarily takes place 5 months after Captain Trip, decimated humanity and community of survivors have gathered in Boulder, Colorado after receiving dream guidance from the mystical mother Abigail Whoopi Goldberg. Purporting to be a messenger of God, Abigail anoints 5 people to lead the community Texas oil rig workers to Rugman, pregnant student for Randy Goldsmith, constantly rapping Professor Glenn Batman, aspiring rock star Larry Underwood, Jovan Adapu and Chief Drifter Nick Anderson, Henry Zaga. However, over the mountains and across the desert, a shadowy presence named Randall Flagg is amassing his own following in Las Vegas, one with a decidedly less Christ-like intention for end of the world. Be sure to leave your valuable feedback and thoughts in comments so can we make more informative videos for you. Our goal to introduce you to every Hollywood movie and English TV series. Thanks for watching.